Welcome to World Review Zones and other videos. Looking to add a touch of farmhouse charm to your home? Our pillow covers are the perfect way to do just that. Available in a variety of colors and sizes, you can choose the style that best suits your needs. There are many products available on Amazon to choose the best throw pillows covers, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best throw pillows covers from reputable brands. After much research I found these products much helpful for people like you. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video and stay till the end of this video. Number 1. Clubhopper Decorative Throw Pillow Cover. Looking for something to add a little extra flair to your home decor? Check out our Clubhopper Decorative Pillows. Brighten up any room with a touch of Clubhopper. These fun and stylish decorative throw pillows come in a pack of 4, and each one is printed with a different vibrant oil painting design. Made of high-quality linen, they're sure to add some color and life to your space. Plus, the invisible zipper design means you can easily remove the cover for cleaning. So order your set today and start enjoying the vibrant colors of Clubhopper. These fashionable pillows are perfect for dressing up any bedroom, living room, or office space. Made from high-quality materials, they're also safe to machine wash and tumble dry. So not only will they look great, but they'll be easy to keep clean too. Whether you're looking for a unique gift for a special occasion or just want to treat yourself, our decorative pillows are sure to please. Available in a variety of colors and patterns, we have something to suit any taste. Number 2. 𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄𝐒 2-Packs Home Decorative Pillows. Looking for a cozy way to spruce up your space? Check out our super soft faux fur throw pillow. These fluffy little friends are perfect for adding a touch of personality and comfort to any surface. Available in a variety of colors and sizes, our artificial fur pillows are sure to add some fun and frivolity to even the dullest of days. Sofa, bed, car, office, no place is off limits. Plus, our machine washable design makes keeping them clean a breeze. This luxurious pillow is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any room. The solid color and simple design make it easy to mix and match with other decor, while the soft material is sure to provide you with ultimate comfort. Plus, it's machine washable for easy care. So why wait? Get your hands on our super soft faux fur throw pillow today. Number 3. 𝐷𝐶𝐒 Modern Geometric Decorative Pillow Covers. Bring some contemporary style to your living space with these 𝐷𝐶𝐒 Modern Geometric Decorative Pillow Covers. Made of high-quality linen cotton, these covers are soft to the touch and easy to care for. With 4 different stylish patterns to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect cover for your needs. Plus, standard size fits most pillow inserts, so you can change up your look whenever you please. Brighten up any living space with these fun and stylish decorative pillow covers. Featuring 4 different cute designs, these vibrant cushion covers are perfect for adding a touch of personality to any room. Made from soft and breathable fabric, they are comfortable to relax on, and machine washable for easy care. Refresh your home decor today with 𝐷𝐶𝐒 Modern Geometric Decorative Pillow Covers. Number 4. Technovo Stripe Patterned Square Couch Pillows. Looking to add a touch of elegance and modernity to your home decor? Look no further than these Technovo Stripe Patterned Square Accent Pillows. Made from smooth corduroy fabric with a beautiful drape, these cushions will instantly transform any space. Plus, the stylish stripes are perfect for adding a pop of color and personality. And best of all, each cushion cover features an invisible zipper that makes them easy to clean and maintain. Looking for a stylish and comfortable accent pillow? Look no further than the Technovo Stripe Patterned Square Accent Pillow. This pillow is made of high-quality materials that are machine washable and durable, making it perfect for any home. The Technovo difference means that our customer service is only 1 email away to help you choose the size and solve all your after-sales issues. So don't wait any longer, order your Technovo Stripe Patterned Square Accent Pillows today. Number 5. 𝐵𝐔𝐿 Square Pillow Pack. Looking for a stylish and functional way to add some extra comfort to your home? Check out our 𝐵𝐔𝐿 Throw Pillows. The 𝐵𝐔𝐿 Square Pillow Pack, the perfect way to add a touch of luxury and comfort to your home. Made from soft fur wool with 3D embroidery, these pillow covers are sure to keep you cozy all winter long. Plus, the premium quality invisible zipper ensures an elegant look, no matter where you choose to use them. These pillows are perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, and they're machine washable for easy care. The square pillow measures 18x18, and the upgraded microfiber polyester filler is soft and comfortable. The white poly cotton cover is durable and stylish, and the beige color is perfect for any decor. The zipper closure makes it easy to insert and remove the pillow insert, and the polyester and microfiber blend is both comfortable and breathable. So why not add a touch of luxury to your bedroom, living room or balcony today? The 𝐵𝐔𝐿 Square Pillow Pack is the perfect way to do just that. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Stay tuned.